Lick the spoon. Go. You finished? Huh? Say bye.
Look at the greyish letters in the cookbook.
Okay, put the alphabets in the soup.
You find a food that begins with
That one.
add it to the pot.
You know how to do it. Okay, get the mouse.
I know.
Good job. Click the vegetable
Raspberry.
and put in the soup.
Raspberry.
There you go. Good boy. Yeah.
Boy, you know your alphabet backward and forward and inside and out. Do come back soon and help us make soup for Eeyore's birthday.
You finished?
Yeah, real soup.
Okay, say bye.